Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous and very beautiful jewelry box or quilled ornamental box. This is round in the shape and can you see how beautifully it is designed? This is quite huge, so you can put jewelry, chocolates, watch or any gift item easily. So without any delay, let's get started. First I'm starting with making the base, and for this I'm joining total 80 strips of 10 mm green color and making one big tight coil. You can use cardboard also as a base of box, but since I am making a round box and I have to attach thick sheet around the base, so 10 mm strips will help you a lot. That's why I am using this technique. So our tight coil is ready and the diameter of this tight coil is 8 centimeters. Now I am taking one yellow color cardstock which measures 6 by 60 centimeters. I have joined two strips of 30 centimeters together to create the long strip. Now just add little glue on the edge of the tight coil and I will attach my yellow cardstock strip around this. It will work like a base to stick and to construct our round box. Just burnish it very well on the edge and then stick ahead. Just clip it and allow it to dry. So it's dried and our base for the box is ready. It's completely ready and done to decorate, and the diameter is 8 centimeter. So according to that I have cut one mound board circle which is having 8 centimeter diameter, and it will work like a lid for the box. Now on the other side of the lid also I am adding yellow color cardstock. I have already covered one side, so just using my glue and then I will cut the excess paper. And this is done. Now again I am taking 10 mm green color strip and I am going to join total 4 strips around this to make the lid. And this is done. So the box with the lid is ready. It's fitting perfectly on top of the box. Perfect. So since our box is completely ready and now it's time to decorate this. So just closing the lid and then I will start making first shape. So for the first shape I am taking one strip of green color and I'm making one tight coil. Here I'm using 3 mm strip. So for all the decoration I'm using 3 mm strips only. Just adding little glue at the end of the strip and securing it. So the tight coil is ready. In the same way, we need total 64 coils. So I'm starting with the bottom of the box. Just add little glue, and first I will adhere 32 coils in the bottom. So this is done. Now just keep your lid on the box, and below the lid I am going to attach remaining 32 coils on the box. And this is also done. Now between these two coil lines, exactly in the center, I have created one line using my pencil, and I am going to add yellow color tight coils on this line. So for this I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 3 mm and making one tight coil again. And we need total 100 coils for whole box decoration. So first in the center line I am going to add total 64 yellow color coils. And this is done. Now in the bottom I am starting with making the scrolls. So here I am taking one strip of red color 3 mm, just fold this into half, divide it, again fold both the strips into half, and again divide this. So you will get 4 1/4 strip of red color, gather it together, fold from the center and start twisting it in one direction using pointed tweezer. Center of the scroll should be very small so that it will look nice. Now just open the scroll, cut the excess strips from the bottom, level it up and just secure it using glue. And your scroll is ready. In the same way I have prepared some more scrolls. And now after leaving 2 coils I am going to connect the scroll like this. Then starting from the same point, and after 2 coils I am adding 1 scroll in opposite direction. Then again after leaving 2 coils I am attaching the another scroll. So after each 2 coils you have to add the scrolls, and this is done. Now for the top row I am going to show you how to create the designs. For this I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one leaf shape. Like this. So we need total 32 yellow leaves and 32 green color leaves for the whole box. And now I am just going to attach my green leaf first and then yellow leaf. And for the center I am just adding one small piece of red color strip for the vein of the leaf, or you can say branch. And then here I have added the leaves alternatively, that is green then yellow, then again green then yellow, and like so. So this is done and it's looking absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Can you see this? And now here in the bottom I have added some more designs. So between these two scrolls I am adding one tight coil of green color, which is made using half strip of green. This is a light green shade. And also in the bottom of two scrolls I am adding half strip of yellow color tight coil. And then around the scroll in the bottom I am going to add white color leaves. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 3 mm and making one leaf shape. In the same way I have prepared one more leaf. So I am joining these two leaves on left and right sides of the scrolls. And our base box decoration is done. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Now it's time to decorate the lid. So here I have prepared some rings using different colors. This ring is made using 15 strips of dark green color 3 mm. And to create this I have used this bottle, which is having 3 cm diameter. Now this yellow ring is made using 10 strips of yellow color 3 mm. And to create this ring I have used 2 mm diameter bottle cap. Then this ring is made using 5 strips of red color, and I have just wrapped it around my pen, which is having 1 cm diameter. And this green tight coil dome is made using 2 strips of light green color 3 mm. And all these 3 rings are actually domes, and to create dome I have used my quilling mold and secured it with the glue. So these are dried and ready to use. Now taking back my box, and exactly in the center first I am going to attach green color dome in the center. Align it properly, just eyeball it in the center. Then on top of this I am going to add yellow color dome. Wipe it out the excess glue. Then on this I am adding red color dome. And at the end I am adding green color tight coil dome. Like this. Then to decorate the remaining portion I am using 1 strip of red color, half strip of light green and half strip of white color, and making one tight teardrop shape. So we need total 16 these type of shapes, and I am going to add these tight teardrops around the green color dome. And this is done. Now around this I am going to add yellow color tight coils. We have already created these tight coils, so I am just decorating it using the remaining tight coils. And the lid is also ready, looking superbly gorgeous. Now here in the center of light green color tight coil I am just adding small 3 mm round mirror just for decoration. In the same way I have already added on other coils, and I will also going to add these mirrors on the red color teardrops. Can you see the shine? So I have added on all teardrops, and also I have decorated with some stones on yellow dome and added in the center. Also decorated the stones between the scrolls. So in this way you can decorate your box using some stones, ball chains, and on the lid I have added this beautiful border design using yellow color paper. So the box is looking super gorgeous, and you can put jewelry, bangles, earrings, watches, small gifts, chocolates, anything which you want to give. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.